Greetings, guys. This is your gorgeous chief sitting in my office on Tuesday night at 10 o'clock, recording tomorrow's message, which is the Wednesday message, number 49 or 50. Okay, 50. And next week's Wednesday message will be very exciting because I'll be recording it from the VCon venue itself, Spice Arena, Penang. I'm flying off to Penang on Saturday, and we are so excited. Every aspect of VCon looks gorgeous, beautiful, and unbelievable. And you guys, all right, if you still haven't decided to come to VCon and you're 50-50, 75-25, 80-20, decide now. The answer is very simple, yes or yes. Okay, because this VCon is going to be a life-changing experience, all right? I promise you that. We have great modules by the V partners, amazing success stories, V teens, V kids. We've got professionals helping us put together the most unbelievable program for the kids and teens. All right, I'm just finalizing the kind of food we're going to be having available for you, and we've got practically every possible food you like, limited to some countries only. Okay, and so your kids and teens, bring them to VCon. They are your legacy. All right, your tracking centers are going to go to them when you die, because we're all going to die one day, and let them be the greatest networkers and the future V partners of the world. Now, my message this Wednesday to all of you is very simple. Firstly, my message is for those who are coming to VCon. Now, most of the leaders, most of the V ambassadors, most uplines around the world are coming to VCon. Okay, and you're leaving behind your organization, because not everyone is coming to VCon, some just got started. Now, I don't want your organization back home to come to a standstill when you're at VCon. A great networker will make sure his organization keeps moving, rocking and rolling, even while he's at VCon or he's in the toilet. All right? I always said, I used to take a shower for 15 minutes and make $2,000. I remember that day. I took a shower for 15 minutes because I have a nice shower, and I came out, while I was showering, I made $2,000. So the question is, while you're at VCon, your checks should not collapse. While you're VCon, your whole organization should not go to sleep. All right? This is fundamentally important. So what you need to do is create a program, a system. Okay? See, somebody else just said, I'm coming to VCon, Chief, while I'm making this video. Unbelievable. All right? You need to create a program, a system, which you put in place while you're at VCon. All right? That means your business presentations continue. Your systems continue. Your communication with your organization continues. So right now, you need to gather your people, have a few last-minute events to set the tone for those going to VCon, separate meeting. Those not going to VCon, you also need to manage them. All right? Most importantly, even while you're at VCon, every lunch break, while you're eating our amazing food, all right, and every dinner break, or when VCon, the night is over and you go back to your hotel, make sure you have a perfect communication system with your organization. If you don't have a Facebook account, you're a moron. So get a Facebook account. You can snap selfies, VCon, and update and excite your organization back home. But right now, you need to gather your people who are sadly not coming to VCon for whatever reason, and create an aggressive program for them while you are at VCon. All right? A program which involves the number of sign-ups they're going to get, focus on their checks, keeping the momentum and excitement and energy in your organization, even if you are in Penang, Malaysia. This is fundamentally important. Now, those are for the people who are not coming. Now, you also have to prepare those who are coming to VCon. You've got to sit with them and have pre-VCon meetings, preparing them to have the right mindset, to have the empty cup that they're coming to VCon. All right? And they should also duplicate your system with their downlines who are not coming to VCon. This is fundamentally important. All right? So your whole organization cannot go into a coma, all right, while you're at VCon. Your organization must keep running, keep operating. Now, for those coming to VCon, prepare them and make this the most beautiful experience of their lives. All right? Now, all of you are coming as groups, so you need to be organized. your hotel confirmation, make sure you have everything organized. Your invitation letters, make sure you got everything ready for immigration. All right? Passport is usually a requirement, okay? So bring your passport along. Bring money. Don't come with $1. All right? You should at least bring about $150 just to buy merchandise and food at VCon. All right? Now we have set up a beautiful eating area with tables and chairs with nice stalls. I just got the dishes. We got Indian food, we got Western food, we got Italian, we got Arabic, we got vegetarian, we got ice cream. All right? We've got drinks, we got fruits for the health conscious people. We got an amazing setup of food and Malaysian delicacies also. All right? Some of our local delicacies. All right? So bring enough money, okay, to eat well. All right? And please don't buy one pizza and 50 people share one pizza. Here's your piece. Okay, very good. Here's your piece. Right? Don't do that. Okay, eat well. All right? And bring money for merchandise. We got great merchandise. We've got clothing. We've got tools from QNet. We've got VTube registration, which you can do on the spot at our exhibition booth. We have a lot of fun stuff. I've got a surprise. For the first time, I'm putting together a music CD of all the songs I produce. And I'm producing 3 new songs for this VCon. So you will have a limited edition music CD with music and also music videos. So 2 CDs in one. This is the rarest, most difficult to get product. So make sure you organize with your uplines and bulk buy these CDs and distribute with your downlines. And take a surprise bag for your downlines. Alright? Make sure you bring the right clothes. We are in Malaysia. Alright? So dress decent, guys. Okay? Alright? We are still a very conservative country. We are on a beautiful island of Penang. Now most of you would want to stay back after VCon for holiday. Don't. Alright? Go back and continue networking. You holiday when you're financially free like me. However, you may want to stay back a few days to come to QI Tower Malaysia, where we are converting QI Tower into a post-mini VCon. Alright? Everything will be here. You can come to my beautiful office, snap pictures, have some fun. This tower belongs to you. Alright? So most importantly, once again, don't allow your organization to switch off when most of your leaders are coming to VCon. Number 2, create a program for them to follow, like Find 2, Show a Plan a Day, Rule 3, all right, Presentación, Presentación, Presentación. And you create a communication channel either on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, all right, so they feel the excitement of VCon even if they are back in your base country. All right, so guys, I'm extremely excited, all right, and those of you who have not decided to come to VCon, all I can tell you is you'll be missing out on the greatest event of your lifetime. All right, VCon created me, VCon created Sati, VCon created Adli, VCon created Arun. I knew these guys when they were participants at our VCon. All right, and the V partners are going to go up on stage and mesmerize your world. All right, and send you back better networkers, better uplines, all right, and most importantly, Dato Sri Vijay and Japadas Bismarck, our founders, will be speaking to you every night at VCon. And we got a little bit of fun, a little bit of music in between, beautiful exhibition area, good food, everything catered to make this the greatest VCon experience ever for all of you. All right, so remember this, your organization must not fall asleep when you're at VCon. You need to put a program in place. You need to meet everyone before you get on your flight and fly out from your countries. Okay, so I love you guys tremendously, okay, and I just want to welcome you to VCon. It is the most exciting event. Just make sure your organization is alive, kicking, BVs are coming in, checks are being achieved while you're at VCon. Alright guys, so the next video, next Wednesday, will be from the VCon venue itself. One more point, I uploaded on my Facebook, alright, the Happy Project. Happy Project is where every team in the world, all right, creates a video like the Happy video from Pharrell Williams. If you go on YouTube, you can see every city in the world creating a happy video. I just saw the Malaysian teams doing their video today. Unbelievable. Now let me tell you, all right, there's a cash prize for the winning team. First prize is $2,000. 2,000 US dollars. All right, 2,000 US dollars for the first prize. All right, second prize is 1,000 US dollars. Third prize is 500 US dollars. All right, 3 prizes plus tons of free merchandise, CDs, whatever you want. I'll throw everything in. So make sure you guys get together with your team and create the most happy video. You just go on my Facebook and the V Facebook, and you'll find the VTube address, email ID, where you send your video across. All right, try to record your video on an iPhone. It's much more convenient. Okay, and make a happy video. Whichever country, whichever team you are, make a team happy video and win some dinero, some money. All right, and tons of merchandise. Okay, so I'm very excited. So remember, bring some money. All right, bring enough clothes. Okay, prepare your team locally to continue networking while you're at VCon, and have a safe flight to the greatest experience of your life, VCon Malaysia 2014. I love you guys, all right? And next video from Spice Arena, our home. So welcome home, guys.